Alright guys, well it's been a long cold winter, but I think it's finally time to put those VMR wheels back on the car. I just got them back from my local discount tire and I want to give them a huge shout out because they actually recognized the wheels after I dropped them off, and because of that they gave me a pretty sweet discount on them, so a big thank you to them for that. They're located on Hall Road in Tilch in case you need tires, you live in the Macomb County area. I've been a customer with them since I started driving, so it was just kind of cool to get that hookup from them, so thank you for that. And yeah, let's head out and put these wheels back on. Alright guys, so as a car enthusiast in a cold climate, there's nothing more satisfying than the first time that you actually get to watch your car here out on the driveway, as opposed to just going to like the crappy little quarter car wash. So yeah, let's wash this thing. Just too nice of a day to not get a couple tricks in, but man, look at that. Looks like a face. I guess I'm a little rusty still. Alright guys, as you can see, the wheels are back on the car. I'm going to leave some technical specifications down in the description for both the wheels and the tires, as well as some links just in case you want to check this stuff out for yourself. I'm going to go head out and take some pictures for Instagram. You can follow me on there at JustinBuice. Went on to my favorite spot where I usually take photos, but I forgot that today is like a holiday, so there was like no parking anywhere. I couldn't really navigate around because it was so crowded, but now I'm in my second favorite spot, just like the end of 18 Mile Road here, so I'm gonna try to take some pictures before the sun sets. I'm not really sure how these photos are going to turn out. We'll see. I'm never really satisfied with my photography, which kind of is a good thing because it just kind of pushes me to keep going and just make better stuff. But we'll see how these photos came out. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. There will be much more content on the way now that it's warmer out. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.